breezes its sigh. My love is the mountains that reach to the sky. My love is the valley, the rocks and the hills. My love is the prairie, the rolling hills, the rolling. Well, hi there, pluckers. I've Sore Fingers back with you again with hopefully another interesting lesson for you. Please excuse the singing on this one. I find this one extremely difficult to sing. It's in the wrong key for me altogether, I think. Standard tuning, no capos. I'm doing it in the same key as the original recording. This one is from Marty Robbins, of course, and an old cowboy song called My Love. Okay, so key of C, as I said. Deceptively simple song, but it's quite difficult to play, I think, because the timing's really quite strange. It's sort of waltzy, but not. Anyway, so starting off, what you heard there was basically the intro of a verse, and basically you just play the intro again, and then you go into verse 2, and that's the end of the song. It just fades out. Okay, so the only thing I wasn't playing was the second verse, which is playing exactly the same as the first one with different words. Okay, so let's get to the intro. Quite an interesting little one, this. It starts off with a very simple bit. It's a C chord, standard C chord, and you arpeggiate down from 5 down to 1. Okay, after you've hit the top E string, you need to play this 8th fret of the 2nd string. So it's like, right? So as you're playing that top E string, you need to take your hand off and fret the 8th fret of the 2nd string in readiness, okay? Then you do the 7th fret of the top E and the 5th fret of the top E. Okay, so it's got that. Then you do the 8th fret on the 2nd again and the 5th fret on the 2nd. So it's slowly. Then we play the 7th fret on the G string, the 3rd string. Okay, so we've got so far. Okay, what you do with that, this one's quite tricky. You have to hit that 3rd on the 7th, and then you hit it again. And you sort of pull off to the 5th on the 3rd, to the 4th on the 3rd. So it's okay. So now you've got this. Sorry, that's the sort of thing. So it's 7 to 5 to 4 on the 3rd string. As soon as you've come down to that 4th fret of the 3rd string, you hit it again. So you hit that one, and when you come down, you hit that one again. Okay, so it's open 3rd, and then 2nd on the 3rd. Okay? Sorry. Slowly. Sorry, I should have done it twice on that. Let's do that again. Okay, then we do this double stops. First one is the top E string 3rd fret and the 5th fret on the 2nd, those two strings together. Alright, something like that. Then double stop on the 5th fret, top 2 strings. And then add a finger to the 7th fret on the top E string. And back to that one, double stop on the 5th. Okay, so you've got this, now you've got this, slowly. Okay, and then we're into the song. Okay. Right then, boys and girls, so we move on to the verse. Okay, this is mainly C and A minor, and it's like a quick waltz beat. Okay, so what we do with this is we standard C chord, and you play the root note, the 3rd on the 5th, and strum twice. So it's like 1, 2, 3. Okay, then we change to A minor, and we do the A minor 3 times. So it's A string open, strum, strum, A string open, strum, strum, A string open, strum, strum. Okay, so it's okay, and that's for the first 4 lines of the verse. Okay, so it comes out of the intro where it goes my love is a valley, the breeze is its sigh, my love is the mountains that reach through the sky. Stay on A minor. Love is the valley, F valley, the rocks and the hills. My love is the prairie, and back to C on prairie. Okay, my love is the prairie. A couple of strums on that. Bum ching ching, bum ching ching. Down to the A minor, the low rolling hills, and then to a quick F, the low rolling C, hills. And at that point you play the intro again. When you go hills, it's like okay, you play the intro again. So then there's another verse and basically another intro, and that's the end of the song. Okay. I love the valley, the breeze is its side. My love is the mountains that reach to the sky. My love is the valley, the rocks and the hills. Love is the prairie, the low rolling hills, the low rolling. Something like that, boys and girls. A bit rough around the edges, as you can tell. But there you have it. Hopefully I've broken it down for you, and hopefully you'll understand what I'm trying to tell you. Okay. Thanks very much for watching and listening, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye for now.